the people of the islands have a right to be able to determine who their elected representatives are. I must also state here that while Bonaire and Sabre would have voted for the status that they have at this point in time, Station have always been consistent in the referendum that we did not wish to be a part of the Dutch constitutional state. We talk about maintaining the Netherlands Antilles. If that was not possible, we said even if Station was the only island to maintain the Netherlands Antilles, so let it be. So we are basically here in Aruba asking for their support, because I believe when we look at the 6 Dutch Caribbean islands, all of us are experiencing this type of behavior on the part of the Dutch, where the Dutch is behaving like dictators. We are in the 21st century, and I believe not even in Haiti that these type of barbaric, decisions are taken unilaterally by a government. And so we are here asking for the support of the government and the parliament here in Aruba. We will not leave it here. We will also speak with the parliaments in Curacao and the government there, and also that of St. Martin in the coming days. We said we will elevate this discussion in the region, in Latin and Central America, and even internationally. We will not accept that the Dutch continue to have their knees in our neck where our people cannot breathe. We are in the 21st century. We are free people, and we have grown of age that we must be able, to make decisions on our own. We cannot have civil servants in Holland coming and trying to bully around the elected and appointed representatives of the people in these islands. So we look forward. We had good meetings thus far with the cabinet and with the representative of the cabinet and also the parliament in Aruba. And I look forward at the end of the meeting that we will have a formal written document supporting the plight of the islands of Bonaire, Station, and Sabre.